Quitting.
Hi guys, this is Hope from Seedaholic Gardens, and today I'm going to do an unboxing. I'm putting this in the way for a second while I open this and hide addresses. This was sent to me from Paula at Just Living's channel. We are doing a seed exchange, and I got her box a couple days ago, and I had to get someone to film for me because, as you know, I'm disabled and can't do it myself. So my daughter is the camera girl today.
Hello.
So this is going to be raw, unedited. It's going up just however it comes out today. It's gonna post. But I'm very excited to see what's in this box. I've been trying to get someone to help me for a week and I couldn't get that done. So today is the day, guys. Let's see if I can get in here without killing myself. I'd love to have a knife, but I don't.
You okay?
Yeah, I thought that was my I thought this was my box cutter with a blade in it, but it is not. So anyway, now I can move this out of the way because now I'm not sharing anyone's addresses because that would not be polite. So let's see what we've got. Oh, a letter. She sent me a letter. How sweet. Oh, she's got beautiful penmanship. Hope, I just wanted to thank you for being a part of this year's first seed exchange. This was so much fun for me. I hope these seeds find their way into your loving garden. Thank you again. I hope you are ready for next year's. Always, Paula. Oh my gosh. And that's just proof of her heart. I go and see her every morning. She does a coffee clutch type thing. Oh, look at all the pretty tissue. Oh, she's fancy. Oh, I wasn't this fancy with mine. Oh my goodness. But let's see what we've got. Oh, I'm going to repurpose all of this because I love these colors. Look at this. It's the whole... Wow, seeds! That's a lot of seeds, Paula. And this is the rainbow, which I love. The rainbow is my favorite.
Question for everybody who's been asking, what is that?
We're going to find out. I got to open it. I already know, but I want you guys to see this because I know it is adorable. She gave us a preview online. Look at that. Garden markers. That one is for peas. This one's for tomato. This one is for carrots and green pepper. The next time you guys see these, I think they'll be in frames up here where I shoot. And they'll be on either side of me because I'm not going to dirty these up in flower pots. I know that she did these all by hand and they are adorable. Thank you, Paul. I love them. I love them. And let's see what seeds we got. Ooh, I remember this is how I met Paula. I watched her do this seed haul and I thought it was amazing. So I started going to her channel and I got to know her and I just really love her. So I've got little marble peas, which are delicious. Country gentleman corn, which is one I don't have. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me get them closer. Then here's country gentleman corn. I usually grow golden bantam. Oh, look at this. My daughter loves sunflowers, so she'll like this. So this is kind of for camera girl. Giant gray stripe sunflowers. You like those, Sarah?
Yeah.
I thought you would. And these are cherry tomatoes, which are delicious, but boy, are cherry tomatoes a commitment. I've told you that many times, but they're so worth it. They're so delicious, and they are so prolific. I can't not grow them.
Because they're expensive?
No, they just are. You have to pick. Remember how many we had to pick last summer? That's the same ones. We picked them every single day, right? A bunch, right? And this is...
That's because abundant.
Yes, they're very abundant. And this is black-seeded Simpson lettuce. It doesn't bolt very quickly here, and it's delicious. So we grow it a lot in the Midwest. Oh, look! I've never grown daisies before, so that's nice for me. Here is marigolds. Ooh, this is something she saved. Blue kale. I've never had the blue one, and I love all kinds of kale, so I'm happy to get that.
Never heard of one.
Me either. Well, I've heard of it, but I've never owned it. And this is green Calabrese green sprouting broccoli, and broccoli. I love, love, love broccoli, and that's a vegetable camera girl will actually eat, so yay!
Very funny, Mom.
It's true. Then this is Burpee stringless green pod green beans, and here's some white spine cucumbers, and this is what my grandma used to use to make pickles, but I'm going to make pickles and use them as slicers because they're just really tasty and crispy. And then here is dark green Italian plain leaf parsley. This is really good for you, I found out. I didn't know that. As a kid, I used to eat the parsley, and my mom thought I was a weirdo. I didn't know as a kid. My body instinctively knew I needed it. It's really, really good for you. It's got all kinds of vitamins and minerals. And here's asters. This might be one of my favorite flowers in all the whole world. And apparently, if you plant them in your asparagus bed, it helps keep away the asparagus beetle. So, I'll be planting out as many of those seeds as I can get to germinate. So thank you, Paula. And I love beets. I love the greens. I roast the beets. If you think you don't like beets, put them around your pot roast or chicken if you eat meat. Or roast them in a veg roast if you don't. And you might find that you will like them a lot more. They're less earthy when you roast them. Evening rose. Oh my gosh, my grandma had this. And I could never get it to grow, so pray for me, you guys, that I can get it to grow. And then here's some habaneros. And I grow habaneros every year, but I don't have orange ones. I have chocolate and red, because my pharmacist for many years is from Africa. And she loves hot peppers. I love the beautiful colors, but I can't take the heat, man. I'm a lightweight. So I'm excited to grow those for Miss Vicky, my pharmacist. Ooh, what's this say? Ooh, all sweet watermelon. Woo! We're excited to get that. We love watermelon around here, right, Sarah? All sweet watermelon. Then here's Hungarian yellow wax pepper. And I don't know if this, I'm not sure if this is the hot one or the sweet one, but either way, it's going to get eaten. And the last one is Lilliput zinnias. These are the little bitty ones. And I have some Thumbelina ones. I'm going to have these. I'm going to have graduated sizes around my gardens and yard this year for the pollinators, because I remember watching last season so many people had them in their gardens and the pollinators just go crazy over them. So I will never ever not grow them again. So that's it from Paula. I can't wait to find frames for these and get them up on my wall. Thank you so much. This was truly a blessing. I'm glad to be part of this seed exchange. I hope you do it for many more years. Thank you guys for watching and joining me on this little unboxing. And we'll see you next time.
And don't forget to like down below, comment down, and subscribe.
Oh, yes. She says, please hit the like, subscribe, and share your comments down below. Sarah is deaf, so some of her speech is hard to understand sometimes, but I think she did great that time, don't you guys?
Bye.
Bye.